So the first thing you want to do is to create your sequence. So I'm going to drag a video onto my timeline over here to create the sequence. Alright guys, so once that is done, I want to bring in another video so I can show you multiple scenarios of what this looks like. So the first video I have here is a simple video of a guy sitting on a rock, and we have another video over here of a lady behind a blue background. It could be a green background, whatever background you have. So far the background is plain and spread across evenly. So the first example I want to show you is how to remove the background of a graphics, and to do that I'm going to bring in a graphics from my essential graphics tab over here. So you can go over from editing to move to graphics over here and drag in a graphics from your essential graphics panel. So over here now I have a graphics from my essential graphics tab. If I try to export this video right now, it's going to export with the black background that you are seeing over here, but that's not what we want. We want to export it without the black background. So what you need to do at this point is to come over to this icon over here, select this transparency grid over here, and you can see that the black background has been taken out. The next thing I want to do is to change this text to probably please subscribe, and probably change the lower text to say to this channel. So I'm going to place my in and out here at this portion here by hitting I and O on my keyboard and hit enter to render it. Alright guys, so the next thing I want to do is to export it. So you hit on file, export media. So you change the format to QuickTime. You change your presets to Apple ProRes 4444. Come down to your video codec over here and select match source. Next thing you want to do is to render at maximum depth and change your depth to 16 bits per channel plus alpha. Use maximum render quality and export. Alright guys, so now it has been exported. It's time to see if it exported as a transparent video or not. So I'll just double tap over here, move over to my desktop and select the graphics here and import it by clicking open. Now the next thing I want to do is to drag it over this video, and if I hit play now, you can see that it has exported without the background. So now I want to show you how to also do that on a full video like this. So if I select this icon, you can see it selecting the transparent grid on now. You would notice that the transparent grid is on, yet the background is still there. So what you need to do in this case is to move over to your effects library over here and search for the Ultra key. Now place your Ultra key over this video, and you can also place it over this second video over here. Now once you have done that, move over to your effects control tab over here and select your key color and select out the color you want to remove, which is the blue there, and you can see that automatically it has turned to a transparent background. Now set your settings to aggressive. I'll do the same thing for this other video of this lady over here. Move over to your effects control tab over here, select your color picker here and pick out the blue color. Change the settings from default to aggressive. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to export just this one. Ctrl M to export, and once again you set your format to QuickTime, set your preset to Apple ProRes 4444. Under your video codec, you want to select match source. You want to render at maximum depth. Change the depth to 16 bits per channel plus alpha. Use maximum render quality. Change the name now to graphics 2 so that it's easy to differentiate. Hit on save and export. So now it's done exporting. So it's time to see if it exported as a video or not. So I can move over to my desktop and import the graphics into Premiere Pro. Alright, so let me just place it under a new layer. Move it to this portion over here. And now I can drag a picture over under it. Okay, so I have an image here. Let me drag this image under it. Alright guys, so by moving my playhead from here to here, you can now see what we have created. We have completely removed the background from that video and we successfully exported it as a transparent video. So that's it on how to remove the background of a video and export as a transparent video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you guys and see you in my next video.